congratulations to Ducati Lenovo and Collective Reward Mauro. We now move on to the top three riders, starting with the rider in third place for Prima Pramac Ducati, the Tissot winner yesterday, third place today for Jorge Martin. A double second place finish, and I'm sure this is going to get a huge round of applause for the Red Bull KTM team. Make some noise, Brad Binder! A lot of support for Brad. And now on to the race winner, fourth yesterday, but reminding everybody why he's a two-time champion for Ducati Lenovo Racing.